What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. In today's video we're going to work on the SquareBody again. But first of all, I would like to apologize for the delay in uploading all the videos. As you might know, we're still working full time next to Absolute Rebuilds. And with big projects like this, we still want to keep things interesting for you as well. Therefore, we decided to go back to one video every Thursday. I hope you all understand and keep on supporting Absolute Rebuilds. And hopefully with all your support we can grow this channel to the next level. But for now it's time to get our hands dirty and work on that SquareBody. They measured all the sizes for the exhaust, so a special hand-built exhaust is coming soon. So it's time to throw on the spare cap on this chassis. Okay guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday we got our cap fitted. We test fitted our custom exhaust as well. Now it's time to cut out all the holes so all the electrical can fit right back in and also the steering can be fitted right in. So we got all the holes cut out. We even removed the door again so it's easier to throw in all the stuff. First, we're going to hook up the electrical as much as possible. Okay guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday evening we wanted to fit all the heater panels and everything, the heater box, but unfortunately it didn't line up with the old cap, so we need to cut a hole. So we masked off the area where we need to make the hole, and now it's time to get a grinder. Okay guys, so she runs after the cabin switch. That's a good sign. Okay guys, so we struggled for quite a bit to get this beautiful dash out, but after some cutting, after some hammering, we finally got this dash out. So I will make it a bit more smooth and then try to install it in our spare cab. Okay, so it's a new day in paradise. Yesterday we threw in the dashboard. Now it's time to finalize the dashboard again. Throw in the carpet, throw in the bench sheet, throw in the door, and throw in the side fenders and the hood. Okay, so it was a struggle, but we got sort of the dash in. We mounted already the dash cover, the glove compartment. Let's walk to the other side. Still need to do some welding though, the final touches, but that's something that we're going to do off camera. Then the dash cluster is also in. The vent holes are in, the lighting parts are in, and it looks pretty nice. We still need to do some final adjustments on the cover here because the leather is overhanging above the cluster, so that's something that we need to cut. I think the major thing that we're going to do now is get rid of all the bolts, all the mess, throw in the pressure washed carpet, and then throw in the bench. So I wanted to throw in the carpet, but as you can see it's still dirty and it's still wet as hell. So we will owe you that one. We're going to put in the bench first, so it's more easy to move her. So we got the bench mounted, the dash is installed. I think it's now time to throw on the front fenders and the hood, and then eventually put back this door. Okay guys, so we are right back where we left off 3 weeks ago, but then with another cab. We still got a ton of work to do on this old SquareBody. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in our next video. If you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well.
Hope they won't shoot me down.